Euro against US dollar this week has dropped in value. You can see the price has formed bullish candles all the week, starting from the start of the week, and we can see the price has reached the area of demand zone, the area 1.0725. A bearish breakout what has happened on the market, especially in this case here. I have shared inside the premium analysis with traders, so they have got information when the bearish breakout has formed, what is the potential target, and this was right here around this area of demand zone. So if you would like also to receive these updates during the week when the price makes a breakout, bullish or bearish, feel free to check the link below and join the premium analysis. Now we can see that the price has stopped right at the support level at the demand zone, and it has bounced back up. Weekly time frame currently shows me that we have a bearish candle formed, but it is bouncing from this area of support. So we can see that 1.04725 is very important support level. How the month looks? Well, it looks currently bearish. You can see I have refreshed the support and resistance levels for the monthly time frame, and I have not still finished them completely, so I will get back here. But what we currently see is that the monthly support level, which is around here 1.056, is currently being broken with a bearish breakout below, where the potential next support will be right here 1.04. But we have 2 more weeks until this month closes, so I will pay attention much more to this one on the daily time frame. So if the price makes a bearish breakout, this is the target on the monthly time frame, and what could be potentially here possible based on the monthly time frame. The price is trying to reach this area here, but in the next 2 weeks will that be possible? We'll see on the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame there is something also happening on the lower time frame, like a 4-hour time frame, where you can see that, where I also watch for bearish breakouts, for example like in this area when the price is trying to move down, and then also making a bullish breakout like in this example where the price targeting higher price levels. Now, for now, I'm still waiting on the daily time frame to see the price forming a bearish breakout below this area of support, and if it is making a bearish breakout, then the target will be right here. But if the price currently is bouncing between these two areas, this resistance area here and this support here, I'm waiting for the clean bearish or bullish breakout. Now, on the 4-hour time frame inside the premium analysis during the week, I will also share the daily updates when there is a bearish or bullish breakout, so the traders are informed and also they can act accordingly based on that bearish breakout or bullish breakout. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.